Hi, I'm Tanay and I've been placed into 8-bit technology. So the curriculum actually shaped me towards working towards myself, and actually when I'm placed into the internship right now, I feel that I know all the technology stacks that I've been taught. To actually go on to my internship and show what I've been taught of and actually showcase the world of talent that I've got of. So the tech stack that actually helped to crack the interview was Python, the language that we use, and we did a lot of projects in Mon also, and Express.js also to get a lot of APIs that we have created that helped me crack the interview and actually go through that interview part very easily. So I'm offered a role of software development lead when I've been taking the interviews of the people who will be working under me. So I'm actually working on 4 different separate projects, and I'm leading those projects where I'm working on sitting with a client, getting to know their experiences and actually developing the project with my fellow engineers and my colleagues. People often usually think that events are a waste of time, but here when I came, I just got to know that when you go and socialize to events, your network is your net worth. So that makes a really big difference, and that actually helps you to boost your morale and put up your resume game in front of others in a really good shape. When we were taught of the degree, we always thought that it was only oriented to engineering. But when we came in ITM, the thing that shaped us was that giving us those business acumen knowledge and helping us to know about those business skills and how to actually fit that product into the market, which would help us for easily putting the product out there and also competing with other colleges more in terms of what we know in business-wise and plus tech knowledge also. One-on-one interviews helped me a lot because it shaped me throughout, and when I got one-on-one mentorship from different people from the industry, I've got to know where exact paths which I have to follow through, and right now I'm placed well in the sector that I wanted, so that's a feel like blessed in disguise feeling for me. The most memorable and most exciting event was when we had to showcase a React project, and during that time we were all on the stage where top 5 teams had showcased their project, and when we were in the top 2 race, actually it was like we had our hearts in our mouth and we were just thinking that we'll come first. So yeah, that's what happened, so I'm really happy. Just be yourself, be the way you are, things will shape according to you, and let your inner self be showcased to everyone outside and do your best.